to show you how you can use a highly alkaline pH 11.5 Kangen water for all different uses. And one of the uses that you can actually do your washing, wash your clothes with highly alkaline Kangen water. And what you do, it's very, very simple. I obviously put in the clothes inside. You put the clothes in there, and then, oh, I forgot actually. So there is a button on the machine which says strong acidic water. From this big hose, the pH 11.5 comes out, and from the small one, the acidic water. So from the big one is the 11.5, and that's the one that is needed for washing your clothes. And you can use for different uses, like for washing the dishes, I'll show that next time, or cleaning the fruits and vegetables. Everyone knows about cleaning the fruits and vegetables. We usually use about 1 liter, but obviously the more the merrier. There is no problem in using more than that. Some people say that you can put in some essential oils for the smell. I personally noticed that it doesn't stay on the clothes, it still kind of washes off. But the highly alkaline water, it's a natural degreaser, and that's why it's perfect for washing your clothes. And it actually does take out the stains, and it does take out the dirt from the clothes. So definitely works. I've tried that and I use it many, many times. So if you want to reduce the chemicals in the house, that's one of the ways of using it. So, and you just pour that where you would be pouring the washing powder, in the same spot. Close it and set up as you would normally do, and leave it washing. That's all that's needed.